Everybody, it's Robin. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a tote and see what we got from my third pallet. This is unboxing of a tote number 1. So let's get down here and see what we got, because I gotta get this stuff looked at, tested, and listed. So let's get down here and look. Let's see, can you guys see into it? Not that well. Let me see. Oh, you can see a little bit. Yeah, there we go. All right. Okay, here we go. And right here. Here we have a Breathe Pure Plus HEPA and Ionic air purifier. So we'll see if that works. Oh, it's a plug-in. It's a big plug-in. So we got that. And we got this Crest 3D White. It's all sealed, so it's all new. And this is a wireless charging stand. So you can charge your phone on there. That's interesting. Hope that works. Here is a, we're getting ready to have a storm here, so, oh well. Oh, and it's in there backwards, so somebody had it out. It is a Neomed for babies' nasal sucker, I guess. We'll see if that works, and clean. And we have another CVS Health blood pressure monitor, and we have another CVS Health self-monitoring blood glucose whatever, but it's missing its thing. I wonder if it's inside. It's in here. No, I don't know where it is, so I don't know. We'll put that to the side. I got gobs of these things for mosquitoes and stuff. So I get gobs and gobs of those. So I'll just put those all in there when I come across one. And we got a pair of these Mighty Sight glasses. I don't know how well they'll sell these, but we'll see, because this has been open and it's missing some stuff. Don't know. I'll put the missing stuff down there. And we have a pulse oximeter. Got that. It's by CVS. And we got these things. I'm not sure. They're buzzer buttons. Buzzer buttons. I don't know. And then we have here is a toilet bowl tablet. And it says damaged, do not return to shelf. But it's probably not damaged at all. I have to get a sticker off. And then we have here a nose and ear hair trimmer. Been open at the bottom, so I'll have to check it out and make sure it's clean. Those sell pretty good. Now we got some more lights. Ooh, they work too. Those over there. Oh, my doggy's scared of the thunder. And some more AirPods. Oops. They're right there. And they look like they're brand new. The case still has the plastic on there. So that's good. I do sell those. Now I hope this works. The last one I had did not work. It is a sanitizer. A little sanitizer stick. And this is a lancing device by CVS. And this is an empty box. It's supposed to be a charger, so I don't know if I even have that in here. Another one of those things. And here's another portable USB charger with a light, it looks like. Well, if it's in there. It's not even in there. Okay. Well, let's see. This is a glucose monitor, but I don't know if it's in there or not. We'll look and see. There's a little box in there. And here we have a Sonic Smooth little like face razor thingy. So we'll see about that. That's a good. Some more of those things. And I don't know what this belongs to, but we'll put it to the side. Here we have a straightener that's been opened and used probably, but we'll see if it works. And then we have this Curls and Curls by Conair. And it's been opened, so I'll probably sell it without this. And we have another upper arm blood pressure monitor by CVS. And some more Air ones. Hopefully they're in there. Yeah, they're in there, but and the pods are probably inside that thing. So, have to check that. Here's another Flawless. Now, these sell really good for me. Oh, here's another one. That's good. Just have to check them out, make sure they're clean and they work. This is supposed to be a pair of reading glasses, but they're not in there. And I didn't find them when I was emptying out my thing. Here's another one of these. I haven't sold one of these yet that I can recall. I got two. We'll see if they work. And I didn't get that many heating pads, thank goodness. I got enough of those right now. Well, I'm just ruining this box. Let's see. What is this? Oh, it's an AccuCheck. These are good sellers. Let me see if it's in here. I can't get it open. Got a push on it? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's in there. The little monitor right here and the pen. That's good. The box is beat up though, so I may not be able to sell it with the box. And I have to see if it works. And here's another one of those manual blood pressure things with the stethoscope. I can never pronounce that word. The first one hasn't sold yet. And here is a Chic Intuition. I guess it's a 6 times the blades. That's what I got. I should sell that pretty good. And some more ear pods by Gen X. Got a black pair and a white pair. We'll see if those work. And we have a Flawless Cleanse facial cleanser and massager. We'll see if that works. And we have another, what is this? This is another nasal thing for a baby. I wonder if I can sell that on eBay. Not sure. And here's another one of those things, but it looks like it's missing some things. The lancing device. We shall see. Ooh, and I got another one of these 10 units. I hope everything's in here and new, because if it's brand new, I'll make good money on it. It's a phone charger. I know it's in there. It's heavy. And here's another nose trimmer. The other ones I had sold really well. But they were brand new too. This one looks brand new, just the box is kind of messed up. And here we have a Unbound Beauty in Motion curling iron. And it looks like it's brand new. It's chargeable. It's a chargeable one. Hopefully I can get some good money on that one. And I dropped stuff. Let's see, what is this thing? Oh, it's a fan, personal fan. And a little toy. I'll probably give that to my grandson. This is some kind of a thing for a tripod. Yeah, part of a tripod. See if I can find the rest of it as we go through these totes. There's another Infinity Pro by Conair curling wand. I hope that works. Those other ones I had similar to that sold good. There's another Crest 3D and it's still sealed. And we got a big thingy here. It's a crispy frying without oil. It's an air fryer. So, it has been opened. We'll see if it's been used or not, and if it works. And this will go on Facebook Marketplace. And we have another hair dryer by Conair. Hopefully everything's in there and it works. And what is this? I do believe it's a mirror. I think it lights up. Yeah, it's an LED mirror. So that concludes this tote of stuff. Except for all these things here. But that's everything. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of a tote and what we've got out of it. And I will be cleaning it because it's a little dirty. But it's not as dirty as the last one's been. Those last ones were dirty. But I will test all this stuff. This is everything we got out of that tote. Right down there. All that is from the tote. So I will be testing that and seeing if it all works. And if it does, I'll be taking pictures and posting them. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe and wait for my next videos to come up. And I will talk to you guys later. Don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell button so you'll be notified when I come back on again with another unboxing of a tote. See you later. Bye.